It's aggressive.
Shit got violent.
What up, everybody? It's the Normies, and we're back to watch Money Heist, Season 1, Episode 3. I'm Venice.
But that make noise.
No.
You're Venice? Oh, I'm Marrakesh.
Yeah, I'll be
Yeah,
Seattle.
I also popped up.
Oh,
We already introduced
I'm
ourselves.
Istanbul.
Hey, yo, shout outs to Lagos out here, baby.
Shout out. What was I again?
You were
Medellin.
Oh, Medellin!
God.
All right, well,
Medellin.
hey guys, we're gonna keep the intro a little short because it's late and we're running a little short on time. But I'm very excited for this next episode. Things are unfurling. You know, the onion is being peeled back.
Mira, yo soy Lagos, and I'm gonna tell you that this isn't a market substitute.
It's not a market substitute. Please watch this on your own time. It's on Netflix. That's where you can watch it. Watching with us would be crazy. It doesn't make any sense. We do reactions and reviews here. So once you've seen the show, then come back and join us if you want to get ahead on these episodes. It's on our Patreon. Please support us on our Patreon. It helps us grow this channel and do a lot of wonderful things for you guys. If you like to play video games, we do too. Check out our Normies Gaming channel. We got all kinds of shenanigans going on. Join us in the comments. You guys have been wonderful so far. I'm saying that even though the videos haven't come out yet, but you've all been wonderful so far, and we love engaging with you in the comments.
Oh, what about the C word? Come to NormieCon.
Come to
That's
NormieCon!
NormieCon.
Hey, let me tell you something about NormieCons. This is the third time we're doing it, and as the old saying goes, the third time is a charm, and it's no less true here.
Yep.
It's gonna be lit fam.
And responsibly weird.
Fam.
Lit fam, responsibly weird. Links are in the description. You don't want to miss out on this. Talk to people in the Discord. They've been to NormieCon. Ask them what it's all about. Anyways, please hit the like button because that's the best thing you can do for us for free $99.
Pop
And with
the
that
papel.
said, we're getting in there.
Let's get it, y'all.
We're getting in there.
And this is 50 minutes
Okay.
long.
We're gonna just it's
Oh,
on.
it's happening. Oh, God.
It's on. It's on. It's on.
Ah, silencio.
Por
Guys,
favor.
I said the second episode was better than the first, and I
What
stand
about
by.
I agree.
Yeah, man. I mean, it's getting
Yeah, I think the first one was better.
it's getting continually better.
Ooh.
There's a guy I went to high school with. He reminds me of him.
Is he in jail
Kevin.
now?
His name is Kevin. Forgot his last name.
Sé que es tarde, pero quería decirle que si esto lo lleva inteligencia por no sé qué clase de intereses diplomáticos, yo no voy a ser su inspectora de paja mientras esos
Wait,
gorilas...
is she using his phone?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep.
he's tracking this shit.
Yep.
Intentamos templar los ánimos y ganar tiempo. Nunca se aplicó mejor la frase de que el tiempo es ilimitado. Teníamos 8 millones de euros. 1.400 planchas de papel moneda de las que cortábamos 140.000 billetes de 50.
Man, that's just a sexy side. Money going up like that.
Oh.
Todo estaba tan plácido a esas
Like a
horas del
slumber
amanecer.
party.
So organized.
El claro iba sobre ruedas.
Not so bad.
Honestly,
Cozy.
I know. I wouldn't mind being in a
El
hospital.
profesor era nuestro
as long as I had a sleeping bag and
Yeah, they
sandwiches.
fed me.
y 18
They would
cabrones.
give me
Give
some
you a
money
cute outfit.
afterwards.
Así que si
Maybe.
quería jodernos, diré que por una simple historia de amor.
Oh my God, get the fuck over yourself.
I know, right? Can we get over this love story? Let's go to the heist.
This is the heist.
Well, I don't care about the love story.
But it
Hey,
impacts the height.
Tokyo's the one telling the story, and she's full of love.
Part of her story.
I don't care how lame it is, as long as
Authentic
Tokyo
to
has
her
more
story.
screen time. Damn it.
We'll skip the intro, big dog.
Yes.
Oh,
make it rain for the whole intro.
But
I mean, we gotta. We said we're short on time.
Let's skip that.
If we
Skip it,
you're
skip it,
if we
right.
skip a
It's
good
pretty-
discussion.
It's a pretty short. It's a pretty short intro, though. You know.
Oh my God.
Every time Tokyo's on screen, I'm just like,
Getting a boner.
But that's Spanish.
Oh my God.
you know what?
Tell us in the comments.
Oh, semantics.
No.
Semantics.
Ignore this, please.
I think it's straight up location.
Geographical semantics.
Me llamo Mónica Gastamírez.
Es una rehén.
Todos en perfecto estado de salud. Cualquier intento de asalto puede costar...
No. It's not gonna.
Why are you so trigger happy?
Y'all are
I
dumb.
don't know that.
Take it.
No.
No, que nadie dispare.
That would be the dumbest time. To...
Oh. There's a lot of
They
dramatic
do a lot of
camera
these,
work
like,
for
yeah,
that.
they do a lot of these
Yeah.
weird, like, little.
¿Cómo te llamas? Pablo.
This fucking guy.
¿Se te da bien el bricolaje? No. Estás diciendo que lo tienes instalado. Piensa bien lo que dices cuando te digo un puñetero comunicado.
¿Alguien más necesita medicación?
Yo soy diabética.
They have meds for all that?
Me gustaría pedir una píldora abortiva.
Oh, sheesh.
Damn.
La llevaré al despacho del señor Román. Ahí estarán más tranquilas. Adelante.
Perdón, yo también tengo una petición.
What is the request, girl?
Borrar una foto.
Lo siento, pero eso no está en mi mano.
Es que me han engañado. Me han llevado a un baño y me han hecho una foto desnuda. Y ahora mis padres, mis profesores, toda la prensa la está viendo.
Podré grabar un mensaje. Todos ustedes podrán grabar mensajes para sus familias.
Vais a romper el hormigón sin saliros un centímetro de él. Como si fuera un recortable infantil. Hay 48 metros hacia abajo hasta llegar al colector. Los turnos serán de 3 horas.
Yup, they're gonna have them tell them out.
Nos dan de comer y he dormido en un saco. Esto no es un horror, ¿vale? No hay violencia. Mamá, imagina que has visto la foto que subí a internet. Yo no subí esa foto, ni tampoco tiene que ver con el secuestro, ni...
Let's kill that motherfucker.
Why would you fuck with the fucking whoever's
No puedo.
daughter in this is like?
¿Estás serio? ¿Qué te pasa?
¿De qué coño más te da? Si solo soy un crío. Pasa tiempo de cama estos 5 meses, ¿no?
Damn.
man.
Pongo
No!
la placa.
Look, man, there's nothing wrong with that.
Dicen que no es un
You guys need to stay focused. This is like lose your damn money. This damn lovey-dovey.
Que desde que entró en un país de montaña.
Get it together!
God damn it.
Se ha encendido un teléfono.
Oof.
Fucking yikes.
Es el de Alison Parker.
She'd have been smarter to take a picture of the bad guys and send it.
Está intentando entrar a su perfil. Será tu puto gigolo y me lo la pena.
Dude.
Verás todo.
Estoy dentro.
Fuck!
Oh my god.
Tienes 200 cojones de decir que...
Kill her.
And got his face for a bit.
Lo tenemos.
Oh!
I don't think that's how that works, but alright.
¿Crees que esta gente es tan estúpida como para dejarnos ir y que vayamos a comisaría a reconocerlos? Piensa, coño. Me han dicho ya que soy hombre muerto.
That's because you don't know.
That's
what
because
it-
and you're continuing to be an
Fuck it
idiot.
up. Yeah.
Y dejas un atraco con 67 rehenes dentro.
That our ex-husband?
Así que te llamo simplemente para que me digas a la puta cara que no te vas a ocupar.
Sí me voy a ocupar.
Tú eres la única persona que conozco que puede resolver esto sin violencia. Y ahora vuelve a esa carpa y asume el mando.
They're gonna do something. Goddamn.
Damn,
Just
bro.
all the noise.
Es de gasolina.
Gasolina.
Y munición.
Is that the big boy?
¿Es droga?
See,
That's C4. Oh, it's heroin. No, that's
That's not
C4.
heroin, you idiot.
No, that's C4.
Tráfico, coño.
Just
Yo, you
tossed
just
it?
chucking bombs around for?
Creo que los dos tenemos mucho que aportar en esta crisis.
Te agradezco su mea culpa. Antes de que haya cualquier malentendido, que soy un hombre casado.
What?
Raquel.
What the fuck?
Estamos en ello. Los de reconocimiento facial están buscando el hiperpol.
Quiero ver el vídeo completo.
No pudimos grabar más de 6 segundos.
Ahora lo hay.
Parece una Makarov. No, es una Stitch 9 milímetros. También es rusa. Es muy raro verlas por aquí.
¿Qué es eso de la pared?
Teléfonos.
Ponme las imágenes de la cámara trasera. Pon las etiquetas. Amplía.
The
Enhance.
names.
Enhance.
The codes.
¿Esta de rehenes?
Yeah.
Oh my god. They're gonna hack
Enhance.
all of them.
Los de reconocimiento pueden tener la identidad en 1 hora, en 2.
No vamos a esperar tanto.
That one fucker fucked everything up. Y'all had to have that little fucking tip for no reason.
¿No le llama la atención esta conexión tan especial? Iba a llamarla justo.
Oh, she's gonna fall in love with him.
Bueno, teniendo en cuenta que yo soy la negociadora y usted el atracador.
Bueno, pero no deberíamos permitir que este delito interfiera en nuestra relación. No sé usted, si lo veo como una oportunidad.
¿Una oportunidad para qué?
Para conocernos.
Te aseguro que si nos hubiéramos encontrado en un bar no me habría hecho el más mínimo caso. Dígame.
Oh, damn, throwing breadcrumbs right at you. Oh.
Quiero un orgasmo.
What?
Put a finger in your butt. She's like, what?
A lo mejor sí. A lo mejor sí que lo he hecho. Mire, el hombre está programado para eyacular en el menor.
Suéltala, le pido por favor que no me mienta. Pondré en peligro a personas inocentes.
No lo haré. Y ahora dígame, ¿para qué quería llamarme?
Mira, necesitamos comida y una serie de fármacos. Insulina, sertralina, albuterol.
Una píldora abortiva y ansiolíticos.
Una píldora abortiva.
Todos tenemos problemas personales, ¿no le parece?
Tendrá sus peticiones.
Bien. Será Protección Civil quien haga la entrega, con bolsas transparentes para evitar la ocultación de armas. Ya dígame.
He conseguido imágenes de ahí dentro. Tengo la identidad de uno de ustedes y si sigo tirando del hilo, conseguiré la identidad del resto de la banda.
Inspectora, me parece
Puedo rebajar sus penas de 16 a 8 años. Eso sí salen de ahí ahora.
That already seems low.
Se ha quedado sin plan B.
Activaremos entonces el plan C.
Cree que voy de farol, ¿verdad?
Francamente, sí.
Para que vea que no le miento, le voy a dar un dato. Tiene 67 teléfonos móviles pegados con velcro en la pared.
She's dope.
Escúcheme, inspector.
She gave you last.
Ooh, that one hurt.
How she hang up your phone?
Oh,
He
damn.
pissed. He mad. He mad.
Profesor.
He about to go kill somebody. Go kill somebody, bro.
Hay un teléfono en mi despacho. Un amigo que está colgando el cochero. No, escúchame, tardas 30 o 40 segundos en dejarte.
Do it yourself!
What a dick.
I hate him.
I feel like, bro, can you get this dude? He's pissing me off.
Oh, hit him with something.
Tiré una imagen de todos los teléfonos en la pared. Se os ha escapado un teléfono. Así que encuéntralo, estamos bien jodidos.
Dame luz verde para castigarlo. Bloqueamos a los rehenes con pánico, seguirán haciéndose los héroes.
Damn.
¿Qué castigo?
Castigo ejemplar. La ejecución, por ejemplo.
Oh.
They're gonna think it was his.
Bro, it's gonna come to
Because
violence.
He's considering it.
It's gonna come
Yeah,
to
Kratos is
violence.
gonna get it.
It's
But
time.
that other phone
It's
was
time for
still
some violence.
like unanswered for.
De verdad vas a matar. Perdona por lo que te dije ayer, Mónica. Esto no fue igual, fue un gilipollas.
You think?
Yo nunca he sido un tipo muy valiente, ¿sabes?
No shit.
Ballless.
Quiero que sigas con tu embarazo.
And you're gonna do what?
Right.
Hay una manera. Contactar con la policía y pillarlas. El asalto. Tengo un móvil. En mi despacho, en el
Yep.
abrigo.
Yeah, he's gonna die.
Enhorabuena, porque uno de ustedes lo ha conseguido.
Doesn't that one dude know that she had the phone? Why
Yeah.
don't you just say that?
Because he fucked up, and they fucked up because they're doing the relationship thing that they're not supposed to.
That's fucking stupid. You should say something then, you dumb fuck. You causing this whole situation. Causing
He-
$2.7
he's
billion.
probably he's not putting two and two together that they would have hacked the phone.
Well, he's a fucking idiot. He needs to get got. Causing me $2 billion.
It's the kid.
He'll get killed.
It's the kid.
Buscad en los discos duros de la empresa de seguridad.
She gonna find the dude, and you can be like, I made him in a coffee. Oh shit.
Ha sido uno de ustedes.
Dude, say something. It's
He
her.
grabado un vídeo en la sala de los teléfonos, ¿verdad?
Put it together. Put it together.
She's faking it. Faking it.
You got feelings for this girl, dumbass?
Right? This dude is causing so many problems.
Despiste nada más. Que si eres uno de esos niños con problemas,
He's gonna
yo
bust it
debería ser el
out.
primero en saberlo.
No tengo ningún problema.
Got him by the back of the neck. He's about to fuck him up.
He's gonna bust
Thank
your
you.
nose, man. Blood will come from your face.
No te puedes hacer una idea de lo que me recuerdas a mí. Yo tenía 18 años y ya 44.
What?
Oh, damn.
Damn, bro.
Topio tiene 44 años.
Tiene 15 años más que tú.
Damn.
Tienen la experiencia que les falta a las adolescentes y son incluso más agradecidas que las feas.
I don't like him.
Mi profesora
He talks about women
me
like
entregó sus carnes maduras
Yeah.
cada vez como
Fucked
si
up.
But he's the smartest one. Yes.
He popped out of nowhere.
Yes.
Oh!
He needs to get got.
Damn.
Something has to happen.
les trago.
Damn.
Yeah, man, you fucked up though. That's his fault.
With all the food in the bag.
Oh,
Pizza.
Oh.
I want
my
some food.
God, I want some of that pizza right now, man. Give me some of that.
Oh, she's gonna try and get it. No, don't do it.
You're pregnant. Chill out.
Like in the room.
You are staring directly at the code.
What are you doing?
She ain't gonna have a chance to take the bus control. She gonna get the
Ew,
real
what
book
the
control.
hell?
What are you trying to do? He's like, there's
He's-
no vantage point where you can do this.
Yeah, there's no vent like yeah. What you
There
said
it
exactly. What'd she do?
Oh,
She
she
grabbed
had a
the phone.
pickpocket life.
Okay, all right.
She grabbed his phone?
Damn.
See you with
Oh,
the
boys, phone.
slide of
Oh.
That sucks.
Yo las medicinas.
Oh, you bitch. Tell me you saw it.
A mí eso de que aborte no me parece muy buena idea.
Yep. He's alright, dude.
Yeah, he's good.
Because life must be life. If I was her, I'd be like, you were robbing a bank. Get the fuck out of my face. I would do whatever the fuck I want.
I told you he would be there. I told you.
It's his favorite diner.
Dude, you can't just keep showing up. You can do
This
this.
dude has an
She doesn't
ego
remember
problem.
him.
He's
That was the
alone
whole
in
thing
a
in the phone
room.
call.
He has an
Folding
ego
cranes.
problem.
This is the last time.
I mean, he definitely has an ego problem.
He has an ego. This is bullshit. He's gonna get everyone caught. I can't work with somebody like this.
No, pero no quieren hacer daño a nadie.
Entonces no. ¿No irían armados, no cree?
Aunque bueno, tampoco entra nadie a robar la fábrica de moneda y timbre con un tirachinas, ¿no?
I mean, take your obvious ass elsewhere.
I know. If I'm a hostage negotiator and I keep seeing the same civilian trying to make a conversation with me about the crime happening.
Hey, about this robbery.
This is one thing I don't like about the show. This one thing.
¿Hace cuánto?
Hace 3 meses. Las cámaras me captaron fumando parte de una visita guiada.
¿Ibas solo?
No, tenías razón, iba acompañado. Escúchame, tenemos la identidad de otro de los asaltantes.
Tokyo.
Yep, Tokyo.
Oh no, what?
Tokyo.
Just gotta look at him.
You dumb
him?
fuck.
She thinks paparazzi.
¿Tienes la grabadora?
Oh.
¿Qué casualidad que estés todos los días aquí haciéndome preguntitas, ¿verdad? ¿De qué medio eres?
¿Cómo?
Oh, she thinks he's a reporter.
Yo le conozco. Viene aquí todos los días.
Oh, good cover, son.
That's his spot.
Boy.
Said, bitch, you crazy.
Es como el restaurante ropa interior. Ya. 20.000 pavos.
What do you mean hide it in your undies? Her undies ain't that big.
Right?
It's not that, but yeah, I'll take it, motherfucker.
But how am I gonna hide that?
Yo,
like,
she
oh,
just
But like,
jacked
give me
you.
my fucking money back.
Nope,
Yeah, give me
he
the
got
phone.
robbed. Too late.
¿Qué haces tú que sea tan loco que no puedas hacer con un niño? Mira, si el padre está gilipollas de perderse, lo mejor todo el cariño para ti solo tú sabes todo lo que te puede querer tu hijo.
¿Qué estoy haciendo?
Estoy dando la pastilla para abortar.
Why does she look like she has stacks of money under her?
Right.
Me lo voy a pensar hasta que salgamos de aquí.
You smell some money. You
Yeah,
smell
he
money.
knows. No, he knows. He knows.
Right?
Oh, your day sucks!
Oh, you gonna die! You fucked up. He manipulated your ass. I told you to think about yourself.
No, we just jump in.
They gonna kick her right in the stomach. That's so fucked up.
That's what we.
It's right there. Is that in the back pocket?
That's
And
what
he's
we
gonna find
in
the
the
money.
industry call it.
Oh shit, this is not good for both of them.
Nope, Denver's gonna get it.
That's what we. call
Berlin's
it.
got like a running list of people he's gonna fuck up when he
Bro.
gets the chance.
Sabía diferenciar el placer.
Oh no! 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 No!
He gave her this whole. He's about to abort the baby for her now. Like,
Yep.
He ain't.
Yep. And don't, but you know what? I don't blame it. I don't. Because she should have listened.
Ooh.
Yep.
There's some traces.
Oh, she's banned.
Look,
Like he
you
didn't
guys.
say anything
You guys
about
got a bunch
her.
of internal conflict. I
Come
don't
on,
like this.
come on, take responsibility. You fucked this up. You put the team in
Thank
danger.
you. Thank
put
you.
the team in danger.
Oh my God! Please stop this shit. Jesus fucking.
What the fuck?
I don't
is
understand
she
her motivation.
I don't. Like, do you want the money or no?
Tokyo, my bias is running thin.
¿Para qué tenías que coger ese puto móvil? ¿Para qué cojones tenías que engañarme?
Who's gonna die?
Rio, you fucking
I know.
idiot.
He's
What is
such a
wrong with
baby.
you?
I
A idiot
hate
says
these people.
junior idiot.
I hate these man. Go.
Credits!
Whoa!
He didn't do it. He pointed it away.
Man!
I don't
He
know.
pointed it away.
He's blue
The gun was cocked the other way.
Jesus, Pat. You have no idea.
It's slightly turned.
It was slightly turned.
I don't think so.
So he
because
shot
what-
the floor?
I mean, there was a muzzle flare. There was no blowback.
Yeah.
I don't know if they just did that for effect, but
Because
man,
he has to prove, he has to show like the gun went off.
I can't
And
imagine.
then hide her. You know what I mean?
Oh man, what the fuck?
Okay, this episode right here, this shit was dope.
You bitched and yelled in my ear the whole time.
That was dope.
I know, but I just thought you were gonna hate it. He was like, this shit I don't like.
bitching about?
Well, the relationship, the drama of it. Listen, a heist movie can't go right. If it went right, it would be like, and then we did a heist, and then it went right, and then we all lived happily ever after.
This is how we did
It's
it.
gotta have the low
I
plus
mean,
plot.
but
Low
it
plot
would. Like, it really would. if it wasn't for those two assholes,
Yeah.
those two selfish.
Yeah.
Me and more.
Yeah.
If me and you were in a heist together.
Why can't y'all
But
just
you
be
risk
casual?
all of us.
I would risk it all for you.
But you risk all of us. How about
no
not just for her,
way.
but for all of us? We all go to jail. We all die. We all don't get the money.
Sir.
Escucha mi corazón.
Do you even know what you just said?
Listen to
my
my
heart.
heart.
That one came from the soul, right?
Right?
You felt his words even if you didn't speak Spanish.
Dude, yeah, you know, there were some, it's good writing. It's good writing because like there were parts where I was like, this is dumb, and then they explained it, and we're like, ooh, that's okay.
I do think Mr. Professor needs to quit showing up though. Although
Yeah.
he had a really good alibi.
He can only show up to that diner.
Yeah.
And,
If she
I mean,
sees him at the grocery store, she'll be like, motherfucker.
honestly, it's plausible because, you know, like civilians, I mean, like as a civilian, like if this shit was on TV, you'd be like, oh shit, what's happening at the Mint
Everybody
today?
would be
Like,
talking about it. Yeah.
you know, like
But,
so it's
but the
plausible.
professor would not have the boss to ask the lead detective on what's going on.
But
if I
feel
see
like
you
that
on
was his-
TV-
I feel like that was his plan the whole time. I feel like in his research, he probably knows she goes there a lot too.
Oh yeah, he knew she was gonna be the lead detective. And
I was thinking
that's
it
why
was
he
just-
Is the diner closest to
I was
the
thinking it was just the
situation?
closest diner there.
Oh yeah.
So he would, because it wouldn't make sense. He would have to find her diner and then go to all the time. It makes more sense if he's like close at hand and he's just like, yeah, so a year ahead of time or like a year and a half ahead of time, I start going to this diner.
Avid coffee drinker. I should.
Man, I get it, and I mean I'm here for the romance and stuff. It's just it's like it's
too
just.
much pain.
But here's the thing though, man. It's like literally this, the 100. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. Every single thing in my life has told me that if I get a group of people together and come up with a solid plan, it's gonna get fucked up and someone's gonna be like human emotions. Like SEAL Team 6 were all probably asexual and that's how they got shit done. Just like
don't give a fuck about anything else.
Right, yep. SEAL Team 6, I'm just kidding, don't come find me.
How do you know so much, Chris? What the fuck?
SEAL Team Aces.
Shit.
Goodness gracious, that was a really good one.
What a whirlwind.
Crazy.
So you think that the slimy dude? You think he's really wanting to have that kid now, or was he?
No,
just like,
straight. Because he was like, we can have this kid if we get out alive. And she was like, if we get out alive. And he goes, I didn't mention this, but there's like bombs and shit in the basement. It's definitely
Well,
gonna
what
be a
if
bloodbath.
if we get out alive was foreshadowing to her getting shot just now? And then she is dead.
But like,
I don't know.
he keeps saying it's gonna be a bloodbath. That's by freaking people out and ensuring that there will be a bloodbath. I don't know what I would do in a hostage situation, but I think that like survival instincts are just like, all right, cool.
Yeah.
They have not given me a reason to not trust them, aside from them robbing this place. I'm gonna do what they ask me to do until they go away. You know what I mean? Not being like, there's a chance for me to get the gun. If I get the gun, I can take out one of like these guys are like, you know what I mean? I'm not gonna be like, even like I'm a decent shot, I wouldn't be like I can get the gun and probably take out all 6 of them like John McClane.
It feels very premeditated from Arturo because he did say himself that he's a coward. He knows that he's a coward. He would not go and get that phone on his own.
Yep.
That's why he told her.
Yeah.
Well, he was trying to be brave at first, though.
Yeah,
Was he in on it the whole
That'd be
time?
crazy. He was like
If
peeking
you-
through his mask at first and shit, though, and then all of a sudden he's like, "Hey, you do it."
Arturo.
I hate
He's
Arturo.
the
Oh
worst.
yeah. He's
He's trying to get everyone killed, even the poor
Even
kid.
the little kid.
Yeah.
No, he's not poor. He's a fucking douchebag.
He's also a
Of this
douchebag.
lady's
He's the one that sent the
ripped that
picture.
lady's tit.
Oh, that's
And
him.
then- Yeah.
Oh, he could get got too.
kneecap that fool.
He should at least like hit his foot with the thing.
Like, no,
That'd
no,
have been satisfying.
That was literally Marquette on our first date. He is an asshole. You were just.
He's an asshole.
Oh my god.
That is not what I said.
Oh man. But what do you think the C4 is for, though?
I don't know, man. I think maybe like a big
Like-
explosion distraction, or they could like once they get into the hole, they could put the hostages somewhere and maybe like cave in the building over that
Where's the
hole.
hole gonna
Like-
come out?
Like now I'm
That's
thinking.
what she said.
Now I'm thinking the tunnel. Now I'm thinking the tunnel might be a decoy too. Like what if I don't know what's gonna happen because they can't just put C4 in the tunnel and that explosion is gonna carry shockwaves in a closed
take down the
environment.
building.
But dude's a driller or whatever, like a
Yeah.
A tunnelist?
Yeah,
A tunnelist?
If that's a profession.
Yeah.
A tunnel linguist.
Yeah.
They did say that, yeah.
Yeah, you were right. I forgot about that. Shit, man. So many fucking moving pieces.
Yeah. So they probably know like how much concrete is like under, because they are definitely prepared for like somebody trying to dig through.
Yeah.
He even specified like start digging here 130 feet or something like that.
60 something.
Yeah.
It's Spain. They definitely say
But like once you get
meters.
through the concrete like protective floor into like actual just ground,
the dirt,
then I think that maybe that's what they're gonna use the explosives for.
But that's what I'm saying. If you explode C4, like you're still encased in like a
so
that would be a
if you put shit in a hole to blow up the hole, like
that'd be a dangerous explosion.
You're not gonna. That's not tunneling. Like unless they're gonna go down there and build a fucking cavern or some shit.
I don't know, but he knows how to like probably make like controlled explosions in that setting.
I was thinking, they could just use it to like collapse the tunnel behind them after they're out, so they can't follow.
Crazy. That makes sense.
That's
we're like,
way
whoa, crazy.
Chris, what have you been involved in?
He has the red suit on.
Right. Nothing. I had to get back to my deeds.
I'm innocent. I found these things in a bag with blood.
Oh my
goodness. Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today.
Oh my God,
please join.
Really?
Please join. I know. I want to see if I want to see if Denver really did it or not. I really like Denver. He didn't
do it.
I like Denver.
I'm gonna write a skit just so I have a reason to get everybody.
Even if he did do it, even if it turns out he did do it, I'm still kind of gonna like Denver. I'm sorry.
I like him too.
Even if he shot old girl in the head.
He has
but
no
she asked for it because
she asked for it. She said shoot me in the head.
He has no choice.
Because she should have known Arturo was manipulating her. And she should have known. How's someone gonna change her?
She's not gonna know.
No. Hear me. How's someone gonna change her tune about having a kid? Because he legitimately did not want to have, like, he was blatant about it. He didn't want to. He was like, how do you expect me?
But they're all having
But you know, how you gonna expect? How you gonna expect, like, to have it, like, he said, I'm not gonna leave my family, I'm not gonna do all this. He was blatant, he's like, this ain't gonna change. And then just within 12 hours,
but they're all having a near-death
near-death experience. I understand that. But near-death experience, you also think about the rest of your life, your other second family.
You don't think about that.
That's not how a near-death experience works. Have you ever had a near-death experience? Because it's in that moment.
It's not analytical.
He's like, this is gonna be the greatest baby. My other kids are terrible.
What I'm trying to say is
a fourth chance.
Right.
She's an idiot, is what you're saying, right?
Yes, she should have known. She should have known.
Well, guys,
boy said I was a coward. I'm a coward. I don't do this, but they tell you to go do it.
Let us know what you think about the hostages and their motivations down below, and let us know if you're enjoying these reactions, and to all of our Spanish and Latin and wherever you hail from audience. We love you, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching Casa De Papel with us. Thanks to all of our patrons and super patrons that help us fund this channel, and thanks to all our fans out there that keep this channel going. We'll see you guys next week.